Today, we're going to analyze some data from Warby Parker, the innovative eyewear and sunglasses company. This data set we're looking at has over 1,300 customer support chats. So we're going to explore the customer satisfaction rates, see how well they're doing towards hitting major KPIs and goals, and uncover the top drivers of customer dissatisfaction. So we've got 1,300 customer chats here. Right away, we could see that customer volume is trending slightly upward, which is a good indicator. The satisfaction rate across all these chats is 54%. That's calculated by the percentage of people who rated the chat a 4 or 5 out of 5. Anything from 1 to 3, we will consider dissatisfied for this exercise. Now, Warby Parker has a target of 65% satisfaction. So they're currently only hitting around 83% of that goal, a bit under the goal, but possibly within reach. Let's dig into what's driving that gap between the current 54 and the goal 65%. First, I want to take a look at some of these engagement reasons, why customers are reaching out in the first place. With Dimension Labs, we can visually map out the most common topics driving chats like tech support, returns and exchanges, and product information. This helps teams quickly identify where demand is coming from and how to better support it. Now, let's look at the dissatisfaction drivers reports. We can see that around 10.5% of all the chats are falling into a dissatisfied rating. On the left-hand side, let's start our analysis by checking out the AI-generated insights card. This automatically pulls out top themes behind the dissatisfied chats. We don't need to do any manual labeling. The agents don't need to label any conversations. So this AI card is telling us there's a slight improvement in satisfaction over the last few months. Dissatisfied sessions have dropped from a little over 11% to around 10.5%, which is good. This means that support is slowly headed in the right direction towards that CSAT goal. However, there's one breakaway standout issue we're seeing, and it's the technical support chats. It now accounts for 46% of all the dissatisfied chats. And that's more than double what it was last period when it was around 22%. I want to drill further into tech support as this is the largest issue causing dissatisfied customers. And so we'll probably want to tackle things related to this first. Now I moved over to Dimension Labs data slicer so I can dig deeper into that spike of technical support issues. Right now we're looking at a sunburst chart. This visually breaks down all the major issue categories. You can see that technical support is clearly dominating the dissatisfaction space. I'll go ahead and switch this to a list view to get more granular. Now we can see exactly what's driving those technical support chats. It looks like the buy now button isn't working. We have some website loading issues, redirection errors, checkout crash. So these aren't just vague complaints or a rolled up CSAT metric. This is now actionable data. I can route these specific issues directly to our engineering or product teams so they know what to fix and where to prioritize. That's the power of breaking down unstructured feedback with AI. You don't just see that something's wrong in the aggregate numbers, you see exactly what and where. So thanks for following me through that quick walkthrough of what you can uncover when you analyze 1,200 live support chats. Thanks to Dimension Labs, insights like these are always just a few clicks away. Drop us a message if you'd like to test out the platform for yourself. See you later.